You might be wondering, but wait, if Joseph isn't Jesus' biological father, how can Jesus be a descendant of King David? Great question, mga classmates. There are two ways to answer this. One, betrothal and Jewish culture is like this. In Jewish culture, betrothal was legally binding. By marrying Mary, Joseph took the legal responsibility for Jesus, making him a legal heir to David's line. So even without biological ties, Jesus inherits the royal lineage of David through Joseph. But for those who cannot accept that, then there's number two. God is very specific in his plans and he never makes mistake. The number two is Mary's lineage. Many scholars also believe that Mary herself was a descendant of David, making Jesus biologically connected to David as well. This dual connection through both legal and bloodline ties fulfill God's promise that the Messiah would come from David's lineage.